Hello student, in the last lecture we have studied the definitions of acid, base, salt, acidic radical and basic radical as well as the classification of ionic compound. You know that ionic compounds are mainly classified into two types, sorry, classified into three types: acid, base and salt. You know that the ionic compounds contain the two types of ion. First is the positive charged ion are called cations or basic radical, and second ion is the negative charged ion are called anion or acidic radical. The examples of ionic compound is sodium chloride. Example of ionic compound, best example is the sodium chloride. In this sodium chloride, they having the two types of ion. First is the positive charged cation is the sodium, and second one is the chlorine. Is it not? Cation and anions. In these two ions, the electrostatic force of attraction is formed. That electrostatic force of attraction are called ionic bond. How to define the ionic bond? Whenever the chemical bond is formed between the two atoms by the electrostatic force of attraction, or the chemical bond is formed between the two atoms losing and gaining the electron. Such bonds are called ionic bond, and compound is called as the ionic compound. Today I will discuss in details, that is the ionic compound recapitulations. In this ionic compound, two types of ion is formed, and these two types of ion having a different charge. You know that whenever the two different charged matters or particles come close to each others, then between the two different charges attraction is formed. Due to this reason, when this positive charged ion cation and negative charged ions, when they are come close to each other, the force of electrostatic force of attraction is formed, and that electrostatic force generally referred as the ionic bond. How this ions is formed in the ionic compound? See here. The example is sodium chloride. The atomic number of sodium is the Na1. Is it not? Electron configuration or distribution is 2, 8, 1. Second atom is ionic compound is chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electron configuration 2, 8, 7. You remember one important points. According to octet rule, the atoms which having the 8 electron in the last cell, except first cell. In the first cell contains 2 electrons. Other cell contain the 8 electron, then such type of atoms are considered as a stable atoms or stable ions. In this sodium atom, the last cell contains the 1 electron. It requires how many electrons? It requires the other 7 electrons for the completion of 8 electron or octet. And in case of chlorine, last cell contains 7 electrons. Therefore, it requires only 1 electron for the completion of 8 electron or completion of octet. Therefore, in the reaction, sodium lose the electron and complete the octet and to form a positive charged ion. Chlorine accept the 1 electron or receive the 1 electron from the other atom and complete the 8 electron and to form a negative charged ion. Diagrammatically, it is given like this. In the first cell contain the 2 electrons, second cell contain the 8 electrons, and last cell contain only 1 electron. these last electrons is loose, and to form a sodium ion, the electron configuration is 2A to 1. It forms a which ion? Sodium ion. The electron configuration is 2 and 8. You see here in this diagram, the last set contains how many electrons? 8 electrons. Therefore, octet is completed and is considered stable. In case of chlorine atom, this is the sodium atom. It forms Na positive ion by losing the electron. In case of chlorine atom, what happens? The first cell contains the 2 electrons, second cell contains the 8 electrons, and last cell contains the 7 electrons. It requires the 1 electron for completion of octet. Therefore, it takes the 1 electron, receive the 1 electron from the other atom, and form a Cl negative ion. The electron configuration is the 2-8. In this chlorine atom, first cell contains 2 electron, second cell contains the 8 electron, and last cell also contains the 8 electron, which is octet is completed to form a negative charge ion. On this diagram, we will easily conclude that the cations of any atom is formed by losing the electron, and anions is formed by gaining the electron from other atom. Whenever these two ions, which ions? Sodium ion and chlorine ion, is come close to each other, then what happens? The electrostatic force of attraction is formed between these two atoms. And to form a electrostatic force of attraction between these two atoms. It form a positive charge sodium atom, negative charge, and this electrostatic force of attraction called as the ionic bond. And this compound is called as the ionic compound. In this way, the ionic compound is formed, any ionic compound is formed by such process. Understand? Whenever this sodium chloride is dissolved in water, then these ions separate in the water, and these ions goes in the empty space in the water molecule, and each ion surrounded by chlorine molecule, surrounded by the water molecule, is surrounded water molecule given by the AQ in the bracket. This process called as the dissociation of ionic compound or dissociation process. Dissociation of sodium chloride. Whenever sodium chloride dissolved in water, then it dissociates the Na positive ion, Cl negative ion in the water, and to form a aqueous solution of sodium and chlorine ions. Question will be asked on this point. Define ionic bond or ionic compound with suitable example. Second one, define dissociation of ionic compounds, or explain the formation of sodium chloride with the labeled diagrams. Such type of question will be asked in the examination. Thank you.